Good morning, welcome to microbiology lesson. This is Madam Hesina Nyareko. Today we are going to look into a bacterial cell, and again we are going to look at the structure of a bacteria. In slide 1 we are having the bacterial anatomy. This is slide 2. Slide 2 has the introduction part. It tells us some few characters of a bacteria. It says a microorganism which is unicellular. It has different shapes. It also varies in shape. A smallest bacteria in the other side, when we come to viruses, becomes the largest viruses. So it is small, the smallest bacteria. When we go back to organisms which are viruses, they now interchange, it becomes the largest. They have a cell structure called a prokaryote. So bacteria are prokaryotes. Slide 3. In slide 3, we can see now the various shapes of a bacteria, and what determines the shape of a bacteria is the cell wall. A cell wall makes that rigidity, that toughness of the cell so that it can bring about the shape. We have the cocky, and under the coccus we can have the Sakina, the Tedra, the Staphylococcus. We can have the Diplo, but when it is single, it is called a coccus. We have also a bacilli. A bacilli is a rod shaped. It is like a stick, a small stick, and then it can be either singular or streptococcus or cucurbacilli. And then we are going now to slide number 4. In slide 4, we are able to see the spirals. The spirals can be either the vibri, which is in comma shaped. We can have the spirium, which is thicker and wavy, or the spirochetes, which are thin and wavy. In slide 5, we are able to see the structures. This is now the cocky. The cocky, we said it can be in pairs, that is diplo, or in a singular, that is coccus, strip in strings, then staphs in cluster, and then sakina in cubes of 8. Tetrad, it is in 4 squares. And then when we come to the bacilli, it can be single or diplo. This is in a strips, a string, then a cucurbacilli. When we say a cucurbacilli, the ends are oval, and then in the middle we can see there is that shape of a bacilli or a rod. The combination is called a cucurbacilli. When we come to spiral, we get the comma shaped is vibroid. We can get the spirum, which is a bit wavy, and then it's thicker. A spirochetes is very thin but wavy. So let's move to slide number 6. In slide 6, we can see the structure of a bacterial cell. It has the external structure and the internal structure. And we have components in the external structure, that is the capsule, the pili, the flagella, and then the cell wall and the cell membrane. When we come to the internal structure, we have the ribosomes, mesosomes, the nucleus, the granules. These are the structures of a bacterial cell. The external structure helps to the protection of the cell, bacteria, and then it helps in evading some some antimicrobials during treatment. So they are termed as antigenic properties of a bacteria. By the internal structure, they help in the growth of the bacteria and in the reproduction process of a bacteria. So let's move and see the structure in a diagrammatic